The Salina Alzheimer's Education and Support Group meets every Tuesday at 1 p.m. at Eagle Crest. It's a safe space for caregivers to share, learn, and connect.
On the morning of Friday, April 4th, the support group is hosting a special educational event titled Remembering Yesterday, Understanding Today, A Journey Through Dementia. This promises to be an insightful experience for anyone impacted by dementia. I'm Dr. Douglas Davis with Salina Regional Neurosciences.
And I'm Cindy Shrole with the Salina Alzheimer's Education and Support Group.
Well, thank you both for coming on the show. Cindy, let's start out with you. Tell us about the Salina's Alzheimer's Education and Support Group, and then also a little bit about an event you have coming.
The Salina Alzheimer's and Support and Education Group is twofold. It's a nonprofit that we formed for helping caregivers of Alzheimer's and dementia patients. It's a 24/7 job, and there's so many things you can learn from another person who is taking care of an Alzheimer's patient. So the group meets on Tuesdays at 1 o'clock at Eagle Crest on the second floor, and they basically get together and talk about what they're going through and share IDs, and then we have, of course, educational material to hand out to them. And we raise money to help them sometimes with home health care if they need a little break, or if they need help taking care of their person, we can help a little there. The Sunflower Adult Day Center is a magnificent thing here in Salina, and we do scholarships to help people go there, and it gets help for the patient, but it really helps the caregiver. So we're really excited about an educational idea that Dr. Davis came up with to have a dementia symposium. So on April 4th at the Temple from 7:30 to noon, we'll have a symposium where the public can come and learn a lot more about dementia, and have some vendors that will have information of helping things that are available here in this area too.
Let's talk about the program. Let's talk about some of the themes you're going to be having, some of the education programs, and then also who's this for?
Yeah, so it's going to cover all aspects of dementia. So we're going to start with understanding the difference between normal aging and signs of dementia. We're going to go into the different ways that we diagnose the different dementias. We're going to talk about the different dementias themselves, because as we've talked before, Alzheimer's and dementia is not the same thing. Alzheimer's is just one type of dementia. So we're going to talk about the different types of dementia, and then we're going to talk about treatments for dementia. We have 3 local providers from Salina Regional Neurosciences that are going to do 3 of the sessions. We have our keynote speaker, who is Dr. Ryan Townley, who did residency and his cognitive fellowship at Mayo Clinic. And we have 2 of the cognitive care navigators from OCCK located here in Salina that can help discuss resources and things that are available for patients and caregivers within our community, and that's Brooke Bryson and Michelle Ellis. This is geared towards everybody in the community. This isn't going to be a typical symposium where there's going to be a lot of medical jargon and things that are going to go over people's heads. So we wanted to make it for community members who have questions about Alzheimer's, questions about diagnosing, questions about the different dementias. There are risk factors for developing the different dementias, so it's going to be geared for family members, people who have mild dementia or mild cognitive impairment, as well as any providers even who are interested in it.
Okay. Cindy, if somebody's interested in going, where can they find more information?
Well, we have a Facebook page, Salina Alzheimer's Support and Education Group, and all the information is on there. And if they're interested in the support group itself, they're welcome to come any Tuesday, 1 o'clock, Eagle Crest, take the elevator up to the second floor, and when you get there, you'll find a lot of people that will welcome them with open arms and be glad to have somebody else that lets them know that you're not in this alone.
Thank you very much both for coming on, and thank you for watching. For more information, please follow Salina Alzheimer's Education and Support Group on Facebook.